No, not really. I mean, Trump's a supremacist. He's not a racist.
Welcome
ridiculous.
to Blizzard World.
Alright, let's not talk politics.
Prepare to
Let's just
attack.
kill the other guy.
Select
I'm
Oh.
scared. They have someone named Doomfister.
Oh,
Oh.
no.
No, I played against him once, or it could be another Doomfister. But I think I played with like a lot of these people, and they're all pretty terrible.
Alright, everybody pick their role.
Let's do this.
I'm gonna play Phil. Phil's like the new
Blizzard
character.
World.
Phil's a new character.
Okay.
I'll be watching over you. Ha! Ha!
You could tank or
This is Pop,
DPS.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do...
You could
I'll
tank
enjoy
or
the quiet
DPS.
while it lasts.
Break them.
I could have used a little more time to get ready.
I'm here.
I'm back in the fight.
Yeah. Okay.
Attack commences in
Let's
30
do this, I
seconds.
guess.
I have no time.
We're gonna need a
Ich bin
dinner. Na-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na. I'll be behind you.
Looky, I'm a kitty.
Jar Jar Links.
Your support has arrived.
Khajiit's name.
1.
That's what I named my Khajiit.
Commencing.
But he made him look like a freaking tiger, and it makes me upset.
No, I made him look like a calico cat because that's,
That's
cute.
right.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
Ryan,
that's not what a
Combat,
leaf
and
looks
Kree.
like.
Enemy contact.
Healing stream engaged.
Their Doomfister is actually a Virginie. It's false advertising.
Watch out for like the brigade behind them. Oh shit! Brigade on me! Brigade on me!
Oh shit.
I couldn't do anything. I got trapped.
Yeah, I got a fucking grenade behind my ass. Ooh, fuck, that Ryan was low.
Back in the fight.
Where is it?
Healing stream engaged.
Kill him.
Oh my
He's
god!
probably been healed since then, but...
Where did that come from?
Damage increase. I'm being attacked.
I'm 60%.
Why are these guys playing smart?
Your support has arrived.
Are they though?
They're not like overextending.
No, but they're giving us a lot of space to work with, so
Yeah.
let's go left. Isolate the Rhine. Isolate the Rhine.
He's already isolating himself. Let's just punish him.
Brigitte and Junkrat are up in this room. I guess it's probably.
He's down. I want to try to protect you. Oh shoot, did they get you?
Almost, I'm dead.
Oh, she's resing the Rhine. She resed the Rhine. I have.
Heroes never die.
I'm gonna send it over the point.
Oh, kill the Rhine. Kill the Rhine. Kill the Rhine.
Nice.
Let's get some items.
Junkrat
No, these
down.
guys do not move like well, like at all. They just let,
Yeah, I
they just let
noticed
me
that.
like
They're
shoot.
a little sporadic.
They just let me like
Garrett,
shoot.
I have my ult. Do you wanna do yours?
Capture
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do
the
the
payload.
let's do the
The Shatter Justice, the Justice Shatter.
Damage boost.
the Reign of Reign of Shatter.
The
Oh shit! I'm
Rhine
dead.
Shatter.
Oh, okay, they only they have Arissa now instead of... Oh, motherfuck! I got booped out of it.
Okay,
Alright,
just back up.
back up. They're gonna try to get
Okay,
us.
watch out for the Junkrat.
I'm
She's
just
on the
gonna be
stairs.
a sneaky Pharah then. And
Go for
go
it.
around behind.
Play forward.
Damage increase.
Powered up. Anyone
I'm
else?
taking care of
Dude, I am getting really sick of those goddamn shield dashes.
you. We still need you.
Oh, what the hell? I landed right in a Junkrat trap.
Schaden
But he's low.
Arista
He's dead.
down.
I'm moving.
Holy
Junkrat's
shit,
down.
this Brigitte is good.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man. She's the reason I keep dying.
Hog low and does not have apple juice.
Wait, where's Brigitte?
She's in this little,
She was retreating.
she's in this little building with me.
Watch out, the car's coming from the left side. Behind us, behind us, behind us.
I'm taking care of you.
Tried to get me and Derek turned his shield and I put on my cat. Yeah, this spaghetti is
Heroes
awful.
never die.
And by awful I mean good. And I don't like that. There's a Junkrat behind, I think. Where is he?
Whoa, shit.
Anybody got eyes on the Junkrat?
Nope.
Oh, there he is.
Yes, he's in this little food court.
Let's get you back.
There he is on the right. Oh, he's on the path of the payload.
Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
We need to keep a tighter eye on that McCree.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Their
not give
DPS
Lippy
is
any more charge.
I'm already
Immer unterbricht mich jemand.
I'm at 85.
Shield going down. 81.
Damage boost engaged.
92.
I can always be sneaky again.
Keep backing up.
Oh my god. Where the hell did that come from?
Resistance.
I have my ult.
Alright,
Shield the McCree.
where is he?
Sorry, he was back a little bit, but it's fine.
Bongo drum is down. Diva's after me, but I'm coming back.
That feels good.
I fight with Brigitte.
Diva's just sitting on this fucking.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
Okay, McCree down.
I just missed it.
Me?
I missed it.
I'm flying around in the sky.
Let
Sorry.
me get you patched up.
60 seconds.
Fuck you, Diva.
We really gotta get this. Alright, I have ult.
Okay, I'm having trouble seeing you so far forward. Can you go back?
Healing stream engaged.
Watch your back.
Okay, there's a Junkrat somewhere. I don't know where.
I know.
there-
need a
there-
response.
He's low.
I've got you.
Down.
Watch out for him,
Besides,
McCree.
he's real mad at me.
Nice.
30
Nice shield
seconds.
back.
Oh, really?
Here.
Run umbrella.
Oh my god, oh my god!
I'm with you.
They have a soldier now.
I will not wait.
10 seconds remaining.
It's
So
okay, they're gonna
John
to us.
Pratt is now soldier.
The payload
Mercy's
has
out of
reached
position.
the checkpoint.
Down.
Good zoning.
Watch out, I think Doomfist is gonna
Watch out, Diva, right behind you, Sappho.
Thank you. Arisa's low.
Arisa's dead.
Arisa's down.
Diva on the
Eva, right?
Thanks for the assist. I'm here.
Come on.
We got Soldier Mercy up front.
Where does it hurt?
60 seconds remaining.
You should be at peak performance levels.
They have a
Sound like
Zenyatta
everything.
now.
Still there.
Your support has
30 heals for
Shield down.
Then McCree is low. McCree is
Heroes
down.
never die.
Almost to ult.
The payload is approaching its destination. 30 seconds remaining.
Baby Diva's down. It's okay.
Why
We're
would
gonna
you
make
do
it.
that?
Thank you.
The battle continues.
There we go. Good job, everybody.
Complete.
I'm back. Get back.
Score
Where is it, Bobo?
to 0. Switching sides.
Give her them.
Where's your
I think
lamb?
I think she also peed again.
Select your hero.
I love you. I love you. Should I Symmetra or no? No triple support.
know.
Triple support? I love the idea of triple support, but
Let's see.
I
I'd be
forgot
okay
how
with
to
the
build
sim.
it. I forgot how to build it.
What did we do last time? We did Zen, Mercy, and
I'll be watching.
and
For
Brigitte,
Jetty.
right?
Yeah.
But that's fine. I was only gonna do it if Metra.
Oh yes. That was
I was
you
just
and
asking
Bastion.
if you wanted a sim.
Consider only victory.
I don't know.
Make defeat.
I mean, it could work, but
It's fine. I already went
Point
Aretha.
them.
No, because I'm Zen right now. What do you guys think?
no, the
On
whole
Zen?
point
I
of-
think if you're gonna get work done as then it's fine, but if you're not, then switch.
All right, I'm gonna get work done. Let's do it.
Make sure you call out your discords.
30 seconds.
All right.
Or don't.
I suppose I will
I
let
could
you
see that
off,
red light.
as usual.
Don't you do the red light?
Also, who do we have that's gonna be in the air?
Me.
Diva.
I'll
Well,
enjoy the
Diva.
Yeah,
quiet
Diva.
while it lasts.
Well, we'll just
Diva Mercy.
focus down the discords then.
Damage boost engaged.
Where are we setting up?
Let's
Like right
turn
here,
up for
where Bastion is.
Attackers
Lebastion.
incoming.
Bassie.
Defend
Over here?
objective A.
Derek, you're like,
They have a
Do they have
widow.
a? They don't have a widow. I heard widow shots.
Yeah, they do have a widow.
Okay, yeah.
They're coming in on the right side through that little side hallway.
Here.
Hog
Yeah,
doesn't have hook.
they fucked up.
I'm taking care of you. You should be at peak performance levels.
Junkrat's on high ground. He's really low. He got healed by Brigitte.
Can't see you. In
staff will pop out real quick so I can give you some armor. There we go.
I'm coming back. There's a Moira.
Healing stream
What
engaged.
the fuck is this team from? Her shield is getting low. She's gonna have to drop it.
Let me get you patched up.
Watch it, we got fuck.
the right side,
Right side,
Keep
guys.
an eye on the Brigitte. She's
You out of mech. Hog low.
Still need you.
Thanks, Snake.
Oh my fuck it.
That
she's dead.
they fucked up. They fucked up hard.
Damage increase. Keep it coming.
Where are you, baby?
Reaper.
Back?
Someone's behind us.
Reaper's behind.
Oh shit.
I'll go get her.
Shit.
Oh,
Thanks.
Baby Diva on the right. She got her mech.
No, she doesn't.
that's okay. That's all charge. I took
Um,
whoever's ball.
West Virginia.
My ultimate is ready. Damage amplified.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I couldn't eat it.
The Junkrat's going left.
Yes, they
Have
have
a what?
Moira.
Okay, spread.
I'm flying up.
Spread.
Jump to me.
Team up for special attack.
He's down. I'm gonna knock this Junkrat off of high ground. Baby Diva's up there too. Diva has her mech again. Where is she?
Sorry. Well, I'll help you right
Wow,
now.
they really want me.
Well,
Give me
you
your number
are.
and I'll call you later.
So call me, baby.
So the funny thing is, you've been sitting down this whole time and he's missing all his hooks.
Yeah.
Yeah, he fucking sucks at hooking. He couldn't even hook me standing right in front of him.
Ich bin da.
Reaper's, I think he might be trying to ult. He's trying to be sneaky.
I'll keep my stun up. Just let me know when he comes to the point.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my Matrix rest
You
ready.
should be at peak
Oh yeah,
performance.
60 seconds.
Okay, they're going right.
Reaper's gonna come in from the flank then.
Healing stream engaged.
I have no screen.
Don't do it.
Let's get you back in the fight.
This Diva's
Sorry,
almost out of
didn't
mech.
know he was there. You guys want to hold this though? I've got Valkyrie if we really
The
need it. when I come
wonders
in.
of modern
Sweet.
medicine.
30 seconds remaining.
I don't
Oh
hate
shit,
what we
shit.
do.
Okay. I just kept healing myself until like James arrived.
Experience
Nice ult.
Right beside you.
They're on that side.
He's down.
Got this.
Good buff armor.
Seconds remaining.
Laura low.
Oh, get away from Bastion! Get away from Bastion! The name of the game is get away from Bastion!
Jeez, nice job.
I forgot I was muted. You guys all
Great
did good.
hold. Great hold, guys.
Play of the game.
What did this guy do? His
That ult? Yeah.
his name is like Tsupai, almost close to Butake.
Double
Da na 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 da na 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 da na na.
It's nice to be appreciated.
Who voted for Mayhez?
Me.
I voted.
I guess. I guess you could pity vote for Mayhez.
Whatever.
But she did come to my rescue once when like that Zenyatta was like trying to orb me to. I was like just
Yeah.
healing myself. I was just healing myself until you came.
I saw that. I was like, why is this Zenyatta having like he hasn't killed you yet?
And he's Zenyatta worth his grain of salt is like good at like killing bastions.